Welcome. We are Crossvale. We work with IT leaders that are frustrated with the uncertainty from VMware's new subscription pricing. We provide accelerated outcomes for those that want to move to OpenShift Virtualization by guaranteeing 60% faster operational success in less than 90 days. Today we are here to talk about how migrating your RHEL-VDC estate from VMware to OpenShift Virtualization can be an exceptional advantage to your organization. Virtualization has driven digital transformation over the last several decades, optimizing IT resources and reducing costs. However, in 2024, the traditional solutions have led to challenges like vendor lock-in, unpredictable cost, and reduced flexibility with cloud-native options. By migrating to OpenShift Virtualization, enterprises can address their specific needs. The main reason driving migration decisions is to reduce licensing costs, especially due to concerns about VMware cost increases. Most people are unaware that they can also benefit from the RHEL entitlements included in OpenShift. When you move your Linux environment to OpenShift, you get unlimited RHEL licenses. Next is, to enhance container features, by moving your VMs to a container environment, you will be able to leverage the advanced container management capabilities of OpenShift Virtualization, which enables you to run VMs and containers side by side, simplifying the complexity in your modern environment. And if that's not enough, OpenShift Virtualization additionally enables you to be a master at hybrid cloud, seamlessly integrating your on-premises virtualized workloads with cloud-based services, providing one consistent platform everywhere. OpenShift Virtualization allows running and managing VMs alongside containers on OpenShift. Based on KubeVirt, it extends Kubernetes to support VMs as first-class citizens. Key benefits include consistent management, use the same tools for VMs and containers, reducing complexity. Scalability, scale VMs and containers using Kubernetes mechanisms. Automation, utilize OpenShift tools to automate and orchestrate both VMs and containers. Portability, run workloads on any cloud or on-premises infrastructure using OpenShift. Security, apply the same OpenShift security features to VMs and containers. Reliability, leverage OpenShift's high availability and disaster recovery features. Integration, interoperate VMs and containers with other OpenShift services. Resource optimization, dynamically provision storage for VMs and containers. Governance, apply consistent policies across hybrid cloud environments. These features allow organizations to transform virtual data centers into cloud-native environments, running VMs and containers seamlessly. A vice president of IT operations we work with said, OpenShift with PodOps created a stable and secure platform for our virtualized workloads. After they talked about how much they worried about making the right decision, and they were thankful we made it a lot less complex. Our framework we have designed reduces and simplifies the decisions you need to make so we can accelerate your ROI. Migrating to OpenShift Virtualization requires careful planning and execution. Assess your current environment, choose the right strategy, and optimize your migrated workloads. Crossvale will guide you on using Crossvale cross-deploy services with Red Hat Migration Toolkit and OpenShift Virtualization to migrate your virtual workloads from RHEL-VDC to OpenShift. This highlights the benefits of cloud-native computing and tackles common migration challenges. It also helps you save on platform costs compared to the rising costs of VMware. Enterprises enjoy 80% lower operational cost when comparing 24/7 FTEs to PodOps for OpenShift cost. 900% faster time to be confident to run critical workloads in production. 73% lower year-over-year platform cost when comparing to the average 350% increase in VMware cost. Here's a case study of a use case from a global financial services provider that needed to migrate RHEL 6 and RHEL 7 and other Linux distributions to a newer version of RHEL, and found doing this into OpenShift Virtualization not only solved their issue with Linux versions that were going end of support, but also improved their performance, efficiency, and security, while removing their VMware risk of increases. The path to get to the overall solution included evaluating their existing environment, identifying risks and other issues that could affect compatibility, security, and downtime, then developing the custom migration plan tailored to their needs. Crossvale Cross-Deploy Services framework was used to accelerate the planning of the migration. After we have assessed their VM workloads, we worked with their team to choose different migration strategies for different VM types. We also used our experience leveraging the Red Hat Migration Toolkit to reduce the complexity of the migration which minimized disruption and errors. Finally, we validated the outcome of the migration to ensure the workloads were performing at peak performance. One of the key accelerators that Crossvale brought to this client is our PodOps for OpenShift Managed Platform Engineering Service. We operated the environment immediately 24/7 with OpenShift experts ensuring the workloads continued to perform consistently so there were no end-user disruptions. It was important for them to have consistent access to high-level architects that specialize on OpenShift. Due to using Crossvale, this client was able to free up their resources to focus on areas that they could use their institutional knowledge to bring more value and innovation. This client was able to reduce their VM footprint by 30%, lowering infrastructure and licensing costs, increase VM performance by 40%, and streamline security by standardizing on OpenShift security features such as encryption, authentication, authorization, and network policies to protect their data and applications. To learn more about migrating to OpenShift Virtualization and how Crossvale can assist, visit vmware.crossvale.com or contact us at sales@crossvale.com. By the way, if you are thinking, this sounds great, but what do I do with my Windows Server VMs? Those run in OpenShift too. Now you have one complete solution. Don't wait. Your VMware renewal will be here sooner than you think.